Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a professional LED pool light. Okay, here we go. This, it comes with the pool, it has an extension. You do see here, and then the light switch. We have the guide, controller, a couple of little things here, and it comes with this. No drilling, no nails, so you could go ahead and stick it on the wall. Okay, let's try this. These are the instructions. It does have for you to download the app. Like, we have the controller, plus it has an app so you can play with it. Let's go ahead and see how this light works before we put it in. Okay, it works. Now let's put it in the pool and let's see it. So there you have it, submerged. And it's very bright. You can see my pool. Look at that brightness. You can see it lights up the pool. Really beautiful. There it is in the middle of my pool. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay.